Hi, it's Guy the Injector Guy. I'm here to give you a quick tutorial on our transfer sets. Now, what happens is I have two different transfer sets here. This one is our 10-1306. If you hear this, we hear that in there, it's a rattle. The reason for that is it's got a small ball valve in here that allows you to run the injector in autofill mode and doesn't let any contrast to come out the vent tube. Then over here, we have our 10-1304, and I'm going to compare these two spikes in length, and you can see one is much larger than the other. This is the 1304. This is designed for the saline bags, for this fit into the saline. And then over here, you can see that that's a swabable valve. So what you want to do is you want to swab that every time you use this, and this is for bulk contrasting or bulk saline drawing. So if you have a big saline bag, you want to be able to draw all day long, you use this transfer set here. Over here, our 10-1306, which is our most popular model, which is also has it's a 20-inch tubing, and also has that, again, swabable valve. So what happens is every time you put this valve on a syringe, it allows you to draw contrast in, and then when you let go, nothing drips out. So the first thing we're going to do is to show you how to use that. I actually have an angio injector here for angiography, but it's something I have handy to show you how to use this. So as you can see, your contrast bottle, this is not a large bottle, it's a typical 100 milliliter bottle. I don't have a large bottle with me. But what happens is you'll notice you can expose that one end. So in other words, don't unscrew the whole thing or pull everything off. Just pull off the pull tab that exposes the rubber stopper. So your bottles of contrast will have a pull tab. You just pull that off, it exposes that rubber stopper. Now that rubber stopper is clean. You don't have to worry about wiping it or anything else. Then you're going to take your contrast spike. You're going to look for that bullseye. Can you see that bullseye in the middle there? You're going to take that and you're going to puncture that through. So now it should look like this. Now what's nice about it is your bottle would go up on a IV pole, or you can hold it yourself, and then you're going to then push down on the valve, screw the valve in, and then now you can draw. As you can see here, I'm drawing the contrast right in. And if you notice, there's no air bubbles. Okay, and the reason for that is because it's the way that valve draws in air, so you don't have air bubble issue. You fill it with no problem. So this is, and then now you're all ready for the next time you use your big bottle of contrast. You swab it with some alcohol swab, you're ready to hook back up again. No contamination, and you're also not allowing any crystallization in the contrast itself by exposing it to air. So big thing to keep it in a closed system. This is how you effectively get a large amount of contrast into each and every syringe. Again, they're 10-1306. Have any questions, just give me a call. Have a good day.